channel. My name is Brandon Henschel. I'm your dance professor, and I provide you guys with professional grade dance instruction. Today, you are going to be learning the Fortnite maximum bounce emote. But before we get started, again, as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below on your favorite emote or any other emotes that you want me to bring here to this channel. And don't forget, next time you're in the item shop, use code DanceProfessor. Hook up the channel, support your boy. Super appreciate it. All right, you guys ready to learn maximum bounce? Let's do it.